Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.